It looks like Mthembu is serious about dealing with Khulekani this time. What it does to him this week is shocking, so stay tuned to this video if you want to learn more. I don't really know where it all came from, but Mthembu decided to visit Khulekani lately. I feel like I'm going to enjoy this plot, and what I love the most about it is that we can't even predict what is going to happen. For instance, no one expected that Mthembu was going to do this to Khulekani. All we saw was Khulekani's life suddenly going well. It all started with the return of Mvelase son. After that, Khulekani was getting TV gigs and interviews left, right and center. He even started making a lot of money, and just when we thought things were going well for him, Mvelase visited him on Thursday episode of Umkhokha. And in his visit, he told Khulekani that he wants him to come back home and that he is using his gift at the wrong place. Knowing Khulekani, he was obviously going to ignore all of that, and obviously he doesn't believe that dead people can come back and communicate with the living, which gave me some thoughts. Guys, do Bona against watch Umkhokha? I mean, I'm trying to think, how do they feel when watching it? And that is if they do watch. So guys, if you see this when you're watching Umkhokha, how does it really feel watching Khulekani and the drama around him? Please do share that in the comment section. So, going back to the show, Khulekani hated the fact that Mthembu visited. He then went to Spamala and told him what happened, but omitted Mthembu's words to him, which left Spamala wondering with a lot of questions. So last week ended with Khulekani receiving a call from an international company that wanted him to join their team, meaning that he had to go overseas for work. Khulekani was so excited about this, but it seems like all of that excitement goes away this week as Mthembu visits him again. And what makes this whole situation exciting is that he's not coming nicely this time. Teasers show us that Mthembu will again visit Khulekani on Thursday episode of the show, and at that time, Khulekani is busy preparing for his overseas trip. When he arrives, he tells Khulekani to come back home because his people need him, and of course, Khulekani doesn't care about all of that and continues to be stubborn. But Mthembu decided to strike just when Khulekani was about to leave on the Friday episode, and the whole Mthembu family was there to wish him safe travels. But just when he was about to leave, he faints in front of everyone, and there was on the clip that say "Logo kuzayokhulu," meaning that what's coming is worse. So guys, we now wait for that episode to air so that we can see what is it exactly that is going to happen to Khulekani and what does Mthembu want from him. I am really excited about this plot. So guys, do comment on the comment section and share your thoughts regarding this topic. And if you enjoy content on this video, please like, subscribe and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.